Let's make this delicious, quick and easy Jamaican potato salad, Caribbean potato salad. It was super easy, so delicious, and absolutely you guys would love this. Let's jump right in. First, you're going to peel your potatoes. Make sure when you're making this potato salad, you choose the right potato, because if you don't choose the right potato, you can have a watery potato salad, and that's not fun. So, a waxy or a moist potato tends to be watery when it's cooked. So, you want to opt for a drier potato, like a rustic potato. As you're peeling each potato, try to add them to a bowl of water, ice cold water, so that they don't turn into a different color. When dicing your potatoes, try to get them into the same equal parts. Definitely unrealistic depending on the shape of your potato, but we try to get nice equal bite-sized pieces so that they can boil equally at the same time. Normally at this point, I would say start boiling your water, but don't start boiling the water as yet. If you start to boil your water before cooking the potatoes, this tends to make your potatoes probably overcook or undercook or not cooked all the way through. You want to make sure you boil your potatoes at the right temperature to get the right texture. So we put it in cold water and let the water and the potatoes boil together. To the pot, I'm just adding a few eggs because I like egg in my mashed potatoes. Then after it's finished boiling, you're going to strain it, and I just rinsed it with a little cool water so I could cool it down so it can cool faster. Put your eggs in some ice cold water so it can get cool, and then we're just going to dice up some sweet pepper, some onion, and some scallions. These vibrant vegetables will add crunch and color and flavor to your salad. So after you've diced these up, set them aside, and then we're going to get working on our vinaigrette. Now it's time to prepare your dressing. In a mixing bowl, combine mayonnaise, sugar, black pepper, complete seasoning, paprika, and vinegar. Then you're going to whisk until it's combined and smooth. This is a tangy dressing that will be basing your potato salad. By this time, your eggs should be cool, so we're just going to get right into peeling our eggs. I am horrible at egg peeling. Comment below if you're good at peeling eggs, because I'm definitely not. Then we're just going to cut into our egg, and I'm going to take out the yellow parts. It was definitely not wasted, but for my potato salad, I rather not use the yellow part, the yolk of the egg. Dice those eggs into cubes, and then we're just going to start preparing our potatoes. To my potatoes, I'm going to add bell peppers, the onions, and the scallions, and then my eggs. Then I'm going to pour on the vinegar. After you've poured on your vinaigrette, then you're going to gently fold the potatoes into the dressing and the vegetable mixture. Be careful not to break the potatoes while mixing. The creamy dressing will coat each potato cube, giving it a luxurious texture that is bursting with flavor. Season the potato salad with salt and pepper according to your preference. Remember to taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. The flavors should be well balanced, with the hint of tanginess from the dressing and a satisfying crunch from the vegetables. After you finish folding it in, you're just going to transfer it to a nice bowl, and for an extra touch of elegance, just garnish your Jamaican potatoes with some green onions or scallions on top. This adds a visual appeal to the dish and complements the beautiful flavors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bells, and we'll see you guys in the next recipe.